Yo, what's up? It's your boy TwixPH, and for today's video, I just want to ask if this shoes is original for those who are really expert in this field. And this is the codes. The UPC is 0088606179 222 triple 7. Yeah, it's triple 7, and this is the shoes. Here is the back side, and this is the also the side, the other side, front aerial part, front view. Please help me, guys. I don't really know this is original, and this is the and let's get back to the code. I hope it's clear out. Yeah, it's clear out. I guess this is the QR code. Size of it, size 9.5. I think it was aligned here. Yeah, 9.5. This is the etching. I think it's pure leather. This is the stitches here. Please help me know if this is original or not. Thank you.